Hey guys, Baking Lowdown here. Today we will be making
a 1-bowl jumbo chocolate chip cookies. And these come out really soft. We've made these before, and this is from the Minimalist Baker recipe book. We hope you enjoy. Let's get started. First step is
use half a cup of butter.
Half a cup of butter. Make sure it's softened. Pour it in your bowl, and then you're gonna mix it until it's creamy. All right. Now we're gonna put our sugar. You're gonna need 1/4 cup of regular cane sugar. Go ahead. And then we're gonna need 1/2 a cup of brown sugar. Dump it. Bow.
That was hard.
And then we need a teaspoon of vanilla.
There.
And you're gonna mix that all up. Before you do this, make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Our next ingredient is what?
3 spoons of pumpkin puree.
3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Yes. There we go. Now you're gonna mix that up real good, and we'll move on to the next step. Now we are going to add our salt. You're gonna need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead, low. Yep. And now we need 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch. Dump it. Yep, little tap. Yep, that's cool. Dump the other one in. All right.
It's gonna be delicious.
And then next we are going to put our baking soda, and that's gonna be 1/2 teaspoon. And then baking powder is gonna be 1 teaspoon. All right, so let's get that going. We got 1 teaspoon over here. Baking powder. Boom. And now baking soda. I believe that was 1/2 teaspoon. Then you're going to need 1.25 cup of flour. But I advise to pour in your flour slowly, little at a time, maybe 1/2 cup at a time. And then exactly, you don't get too clumpy and it doesn't over dry it. And then you're gonna mix it and do the same thing with the other cup I'm gonna put in, and then you'll see your batter start to form. What are we adding next?
The best thing of the recipe, the chocolate chips, to make it taste nice and delicious and creamy. Just add a little bit.
Mix it up.
And then put it in the oven when you're done. Well, make it into balls and then put it in the oven.
Yeah, we'll show them how to roll them up.
And then
Give them the lowdown on that. Throw it in there for about 15 minutes till they're nice and golden brown.
And then enjoy.
And enjoy.
Well, let it cool down.
There you go. See that? Perfect.
And we're done. Now we're doing the last couple of cookies.
You can take your dough, roll
Roll
it in your hand. Make sure your hands are washed. Wash your hands, kids, before you're doing any cooking. Roll them up, nice little ball. Boom.
Place them on your tray.
That's it. Give them enough space so they don't cook, and when they bake, they get stuck together.
And they crack when you use them.
So you want to roll them up. This should give you maybe a little over a dozen, maybe a baker's dozen, which is 13.
Probably.
So there we go. And we're gonna pop these in the oven for about 15 minutes, and that's it.
We are done. I mean, that one hasn't got too much chocolate.
Look at that.
Delicious.
Ooh. In the oven we go. right, cookies all done.
Let's
You
try,
try
them.
some?
Yes. Oh, that's hot.
Cheers. That's a good soft cookie. Very soft.
And you should definitely try some.
So like, subscribe, and share it with a friend.
And like the notification bell.
There you go.
So you know that, so you won't miss another video.
That's right. Good one. So next time, have a sweet day.